Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've just browned 4 slices, so about 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of bacon that I've just roughly chopped in. And I cooked it in a couple of tablespoons of bacon fat that I happen to have, but any oil that you normally cook with would be fine. Although bacon is particularly good. So I'm just going to grab that out, and then I'm going to get my kale in. So it's on a medium heat, and I've got just a bunch of this is Cavallonero Tuscan kale that I've just sliced into pieces, or just sliced crosswise. You could use any kale for this, or you could use spinach if you wanted to. So then you get that in the pan with a splash of water. And the water's just going to help the kale to steam and stop it from burning. And we'll just give it a stir. Get the lid on and just cook it for a few minutes. So after the kale's been cooking for, 4 or 5 minutes, just get the lid off, give it a good stir. And if it's wilted down and it's looking tender, you can taste the stems if they're tender. It's up to you. I like it still a bit chunky and crunchy, but if you want it more cooked and easier to eat, then you can leave it for a bit longer. If it does start to burn, you can just add a splash more water. But then we're going to get our eggs in. So I've got 4 eggs. I've just cracked them into a bowl to make it easier so you don't have to watch me cracking 4 eggs. But I'm just going to turn the heat down to low, and we're just going to stir. And we just want to cook that until the eggs are only just cooked through. You don't want it too much. Yeah, so when the eggs are cooked, you want to just get it off the heat quickly. So you don't want the eggs to overcook and go. You want them kind of silky and creamy still. Then I'll get in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a little bit more. I like it a bit salty, and just stir that in. That's going to provide amazing seasoning. Then have a taste. If you want more salt, you can add more soy sauce, or you might want to just add a little bit of salt if you don't want the extra soy flavor. And then I'm just going to divide that between 2 bowls, top it with our bacon, and then finish it with some roast macadamias and some shaved parmesan. Yum. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.